Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA has reacted now to our support zone here. That support zone was already communicated like a few weeks ago. So the price dipped into this support region and already reversed out of it. If we see a move that's strong enough, then anybody who, well, entered potentially positions in the support zone, I mean, that's essentially what it's for. You can look for positions in this support zone if you like to. Obviously, there's never a guarantee that there is going to be a reaction, but in most cases, as you can see here, there are reactions to these support zones, and specifically here on the GALA chart, there was a reaction to that 3.3 cent level, which represents the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And that's a very common, let's say, target for such a B-wave pullback, because the idea is that this was an A-wave rally. This here is a B-wave pullback. It looks corrective, and then there could be a C-wave rally. And yeah, I received a couple of questions if I could look at the long-term targets. I thought I did that because this is sort of here the next wave to the upside between 16 to 33 cents. That's how far we can look this bull run. If it exceeds above 33.6 cents, then we can adjust the count to possibly something more bullish, because this wave 2 corrective rally shouldn't really sustain above that 33.6 cent level. But there's no rush to do that, because at the moment we are in a support zone, and if there is a trade, it would be a trade within wave C of 2, okay? Which could be an impulse, as highlighted there with these 5 yellow labels to the upside, so waves 1 to 5 in wave C. So that's a possible setup there. An A-B setup. Best would be, I mean, if you're looking for probabilities on your side, you could even wait for the 1-2 setup, but we are at the moment in a bullish market. At least that is my thesis. And as long as Bitcoin is holding support, and as long as Bitcoin has not given us any, let's say, confirmation that the bull market is over, I'm leaning towards further upside. Also on the GALA chart, even though the GALA chart overall isn't really great quality, right? Because of the 5-wave move down. I showed you that basically in the last video on the larger time frame. So idea is, you know, we could get one more low. GALA could form one more low in this correction. Doesn't need it though. Next support would be at 2.65 cents, then 1.9 cents. Shouldn't be a surprise. These levels are already well communicated. But yeah, as soon as these support zones are reached, we always need to be ready that the price could be turning around, obviously. But then we need some kind of evidence to really confirm it, also from an analysis point of view, from an analytical point of view, that a low is in. And that would be a break above the 4.78 cent level. That's the first level that needs to break, that we can then look at and where we can confirm, okay, low is probably in, but let's first see if that level can break. That wouldn't be confirmation, but it at least indicates that there is not an impulse to the downside, because this C wave down at the moment looks like an impulse. But if we get a break above the 50% Fib level, then it's not really impulsive anymore. Could then morph into a diagonal pattern in which, for example, this wave 4 could be higher, or this is AB of wave 3. But then a break above 5.9 cents will make that less likely as well. And a break above 6.9 cents would firmly establish actually a low in place. It will depend on the structure as well. Now, basically what I'd say is if we break above initial micro resistance, this is really just lower time frame, lower wave degree resistance. The price breaks above that, then this is only the earliest indication, okay? And then we can look at 5.9 cents and then 6.9 cents. And above that, we are then likely in the breakout. Of course, there are a few other resistance levels that need to be taken out, but that is the most, let's say, the nearest one that's really relevant, because that's the wave 2 high. And any A, B or 3, 4, even if the wave 4 is extremely aggressive, you know, they should not break above that level. And they would lead to invalidations on the bearish side, and that would then shift probabilities towards a direct breakout. And it's possible the low is in, then probably in a WXY pattern. That's not predictable. A WXY always needs additional evidence. Therefore, I give you here these resistance levels. Yeah, that's what we're watching at the moment. I mean, to keep the upside pressure alive, and this looks very much corrective, but to keep the upside pressure alive, the price should really stay above the 3.99 cent level, this last swing low, and then price could grind higher, but it's not very clear yet. Okay, it's a bit overlapping corrective, but then crypto rallies often start like that, which is why I often say on the micro level, it's just best to focus on the Fibonacci levels, the support and resistance zones, and this support area did hold. And as long as we're holding 1.9 cents, I assume that GALA is at least participating in the bull market. Yeah, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.